No.
Mom, do you like country? It needs to be on a radio station. It doesn't matter. There. When are you gonna decay? I want to throw you out like my broken TV.
Just whisper your intro real quick and we can record. Just like you're recording right now.
You want your charger up there?
Yeah.
Did you grab it? On Messenger. I don't use Messenger. She texts you on Messenger. Messenger. Well, why don't you just get it? Because I don't like using it. Well, this is all on. This is mine. No. I don't use Messenger because I get in trouble every time I use Messenger. Why do you get in trouble? Because that one person keeps texting me on Messenger. Who? That one person in Texas? Yeah, but this Messenger isn't going to be on yours. No, but it will connect to mine as soon as I log back into my Facebook. Who is 414312? Oh, I don't know. You keep on taking random calls. Who is it? I don't know. Go into my call contacts. There's a bunch of numbers that I have unsaved and I don't even know. Unsaved. Unsaved. Wait. What? 4295610. Nothing before. You're so cute. It wasn't that. This is your phone? Yeah. Why do you got my email up on your phone? I'm asking you. All I need is Minecraft. Set up now. Yo, you said, can we do the same thing as last night? And you're sitting here playing. It's because you have my phone. See, let's play with you. Duke. Haley. Duke, you get Haley tonight. No, he has Haley tonight. Say your goodbye to Mom. Come on, Duke. Go. Go see Haley.
Haley. Go see Haley.
Don't like
It's
me.
Monday.
Don't pull on him, Granddad.
Yeah, see, it's nice and clean instead of filthy, dirty, with all those germs on it. Oh, come on, you Duke. Come here, Duke.
Go.
Do I know what Nicole names her next baby if it's a girl?
What?
Do I know what Nicole names her next baby if it's a girl? Haley Marie.
Haley Marie.
My middle name and Haley's first name. She wants to name her after me and Haley. Because the Haley Tiffany doesn't really go together. So Haley Marie. Keep the Marie thing going on.
Tiffany.